You may not remember, but when Tesla first started talking about using giga casting in its electric cars, it was met with criticism from the automotive media, other car companies, and commenters. However, both BYD and Toyota have now recognized the value of giga casting and have decided to adopt it in their own cars. Toyota recently purchased a Tesla Model Y to analyze its engineering and praised it as an engineering genius. This shows that even the automotive industry's so-called engineering geniuses are acknowledging the effectiveness of gigacasting. Several Chinese car companies, including BYD, have also started using similar casting techniques. The use of gigapresses refers to the aluminum die casting machines adopted by Tesla. These machines can produce large aluminum parts for car manufacturing. Tesla's gigapresses are used to create single components for the car's structure, eliminating the need for multiple stamped metal parts that are traditionally welded together. This approach reduces costs, simplifies the production line, and contributes to Tesla's profitability. For example, using a single component in the rear of the Model Y allowed Tesla to cut related costs by 40%. It also reduced the weight of the vehicle, which is crucial for electric cars. Other automakers, including Toyota, have recognized these advantages and are adopting GigaCast to improve the performance and lower the costs of their electric cars. The GigaPress takes a molten aluminum and forms it into a part, which is then released and cooled. Tesla has developed its own proprietary aluminum alloy, which eliminates the need for traditional heat treating to increase the strength of cast parts. The benefits of gigacasting include reducing the number of parts, lowering costs, simplifying production, cutting vehicle weight, reducing waste, and decreasing greenhouse gas emissions. Tesla's cars have demonstrated the weight loss achieved through gigacasting, leading to improved efficiency and range. Despite the advantages, some critics argue that gigacasting may result in cars being considered write-offs in the event of a crash. However, insurance coverage typically addresses such situations, and weight reduction remains crucial for electric cars' efficiency.